Hello friends, welcome back to another exciting journey with me. This isn't one of my usual stories where we dive into the depths of love and heartbreak. No sad love stories here, I promise. Today we're going on a trip to Punjab, a land rich in culture and history, but not the Punjab you're thinking of with its famous cities and bustling streets. We're going to a less-known place called Batala, a town that often gets overlooked. Everyone knows about Amritsar, Chandigarh, even Ludhiana, with their iconic landmarks and vibrant life. But Batala is like a hidden treasure, waiting to be discovered. It's that quiet friend who's full of surprises, offering a peaceful retreat and a glimpse into authentic Punjabi life. Now let's talk about the weather. Batala's weather is as diverse as its culture, offering a unique experience every season. Batala has all 4 seasons, just like life, full of ups and downs. Each season brings its own charm and challenges, making life here vibrant and dynamic. Summers can get very hot, with temperatures soaring high, but the joy of sipping a cold lassi or playing under the sun makes it all worthwhile. But that's what cold drinks are for. They provide a refreshing escape from the heat, making summer days enjoyable. Winters are cozy, perfect for hot tea. The foggy mornings and chilly evenings create a serene atmosphere, ideal for relaxation. And then there's the monsoon season, a time for romance, for snacks, and for dealing with flooded streets. The rain brings a refreshing change, making the city come alive in a different way. So there you have it, Batala. We've explored its rich history, vibrant culture, delectable food, and the very heart of this enchanting city. From its ancient landmarks to its bustling streets, Batala offers a unique blend of the old and the new. It's a city that might not be famous on the global stage, but it should be. The night view of Batala is mesmerizing, and the markets are always alive with energy and excitement. Batala is like that friend who's always ready for an adventure and full of surprises. Whether you're exploring with friends or on a solo journey, there's always something new to discover. It's a city you won't forget. The sunsets here are breathtaking, and every corner of Batala has a story to tell. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and go discover the magic of Batala. Whether you're arriving by bus, train or plane, the journey to Batala is just the beginning of an unforgettable adventure.